Seagull, Sam. Give me lots of locking wilds now. This one is that machine that won't show you your wins till the end. Uh-oh, I need more wilds. Come on. Oh, shoot. They used to show you your total wins up there, and then they changed it to this weird progressive type thing.
Yeah, I don't get what the other special with that.
Yeah, I don't either. I just... Oh, I agree. It's a weird thing to have that up there. Okay, come on. More wilds. I'm being bonus blocked. I need the big pan symbol over here. Oh, I hate that. Stop that. Go away. There it is again. I think that was it too. I think that was the last spin. This is the best. Well, it used to tell you up there and they took it away. Oh, I had another. Oh, that paid good. $66.50. But that's definitely like my last spin, I believe. Thank you, Seagull Sam. Oh, I had another one. Wow, I didn't realize I had so many spins. Because it's a secret, they're not going to tell you until the very end. Yeah, flash that light up there. Okay, good bonus. Good bonus. That was good. I like that win. Thank you. Okay, way to start out a trip. Yeah, a little coin show. I'm briefly ahead on this trip now. I have to enjoy it. It won't last long.